Calgary Furnace Maintenance, what every homeowner should know. The most important thing you should look for in selecting a maintenance contractor is that they use the word maintenance and not tune-up. Tune-up is a ubiquitous term that doesn't mean anything. You won't find it inside of any manufacturer's literature, and it's really a word that companies use to make sure they can get a salesperson in your home to find something wrong and sell you something more. You want to look for a contractor using the word maintenance because it's prescribed in both the manual as well as the warranty documentation, and there's a clear set of standards set aside by the manufacturer on what needs to be done. The big thing that you want to look for in hiring a contractor who's maintaining is accountability. Do you know that they know what they're doing, and how do you know? So when you go downstairs, or if you want to look it up online, you're able to find your installation operation manual. Inside of that, you're going to be able to see the section on maintenance. And within that section on maintenance, the person who comes out to maintain your furnace can be held accountable to that standard. And also, and this is the best part, when you choose to hire a professional to actually maintain your furnace, in the event that you ever have an issue and you need to go back to the manufacturer to prove that you've done your maintenance, you'll have the records that show that you've taken care of your furnace and that you've held up to your end of the bargain. And what we find is that those claims for warranty usually sail right through, so you get your money back faster through a warranty process in the event that your furnace fails during the warranty period.